In this video, I am going to show you how to make a basic while loop. I might go into further detail into while loops in another video, and I will probably make a video on for loops too in another video, but this is just going to be a quick video. So, while loop. So, the cool thing about programming is you can do something with like many times, and the program doesn't get tired. They can't forget things, unlike us humans. We don't want a program for we don't want a human. We're not gonna give a human the job to, I don't know, calculate like 1,000 different equations for something. We're going to need a computer for that. But we're just going to make a basic while loop right now. So a while loop is basically like while something is true. It can be a forever loop. You can say something like while 2 is greater than 1, which is always. That's basically a forever loop. Then do this. You indent and you need a semicolon, just like in conditional statements or functions, etc. Okay, so let's go. While, let's make a forever, actually no, let's not make a forever loop this time. So we're going to say while count not equals 5, so the count is going to be a variable. While count not equals 5, print count. But this is going to show an error like count not defined. I don't know what count is. Yeah, see, name error, name count is not defined. Okay, so let's, oh, whoops, I didn't mean to run it again. Let's define count. Count is equal, this is outside the loop, count is equal to 0. Run. And then we get just a bunch of zeros because it's basically a forever loop because count is not increasing. So now let's make it so it increases. So then it actually stops. Count plus equals 1. So plus equals just adds whatever you want to a variable. Run. And now I get 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is, and then it adds it again, and it's just like, oh, count is equal to 5. But it says while count not equal to 5, so it doesn't print 5. Okay, now let's make a different kind of loop. So let's say while password, so that's going to be a variable, is not equal to, and I'm just going to make up just like some random numbers and letters. Well, password is not equal to, actually, I'm just going to do letters. GRTUE, that's just random. Definitely not one of my passwords. Okay. And then we're going to want the semicolon, but we'll do more of that after. So we're going to put, so there's going to be an error like password is not defined. So for now, we're just going to say password is equal to none for now. None. Password equals none. Okay. Then password is equal to str input. So now this should just prompt the user for the password until they get it right. We're going to get it wrong on purpose a few times and then type in the right password because we know the right password because obviously we can see the code. Okay, so password is equal to str input. And even if we want, we can, if you don't want to be able to see the password in the code, we can store it in a file, but we might talk about files in another video. Okay, so guess the password. Okay, now let's run this code and see what happens. Guess the password. Guess the password. See, it prompts us again because we didn't get it right. We just get it wrong a bunch of times. And now, let's get it right. GRTUE. And then it does nothing. But let's just say, let's make it so it says congratulations if you got the password right. So we're going to use a conditional statement. I have a video on conditional statements in another video, but I will not re-explain it in this video. So let's say if password is equal to, so that's for equal equals, double equals is for comparing different things, but a single equal is for defining. You probably know that already, but if not, I just explained that. Okay, so if password is equal to GRTUE, then print. You got it right, because if we don't print anything or make the program do anything, they might just think the program is like slow and it's not running, right? So let's say print, you got the password right. Okay, now let's run this. Guess the password. Get it wrong a bunch of times, and now let's get it right. GRTUE. And then you got the password right. Okay, so that was it for this video. I will go deeper into loops in another video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.